LEGO Technic Magazine Issue 8 is already out, and this time it comes with free little Space Buggy. Let's have a look inside. LEGO Technic pieces have proven to be suitable for building anything, even Lamborghini. Here are a few cool puzzles and building instructions for Space Buggy, which I will build in a moment. Here is also an interesting interview with Space Buggy designer Anna Hui Absol. And as always, some really cool posters are included. Followed by more puzzles and interesting facts about tractors. Next is everything you need to know about worm gear. And if you are a Ferrari Formula 1 fan, this page is for you. And what we will get in the next issue? Oh, it's a little off-roader. And at the end there is a match game included. Okay, let's build Space Buggy. The instructions are very easy to follow. A few minutes later, here it is. As expected from Technic model, it has lots of moving parts. It comes with a little gripper to pick up the basket. And it can easily be changed to the rock saw. It is like a little fidget toy, you just can't stop playing with it. Shall we look at match game? So I just need to cut these out. As I was cutting these out, I did not notice that I cut them wrong. At first, all looks okay, but then this happened. Oh no, I cut them wrong. I think I've got an idea how to fix them. Would you like to play a game?
Yeah.
It's very easy. Basically, who has a matching card keeps the card. Who's got the most cards is the winner. Ready to play?
Yeah.
Because you're the youngest one, you can go first. Pick two. You need to show them. Are they a match?
No.
No, put them back.
Yeah.
My turn. Yay, I got match.
Good job.
Right, your turn.
Yes, I got that.
You got match too. Okay, my turn. We really had so much fun playing the match, despite I almost ruined the cards. I will be back soon with something new.